Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make mango chili sauce known as pilipili ya kukaanga in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need a half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, a quarter cup of cooking oil, 7 to 8 large tomatoes, crushed green chilies, 1 mango, 1 large onion, 5 pieces of garlic, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and lastly 1 lime. In a blender, you're going to add 7 to 8 medium large tomatoes, 5 pieces of garlic, and 1 large onion. Then pour some water and blend everything well into a smooth paste. Then add the mango and continue to blend till everything is well blended. Once everything is well blended, pour in a pot, then add 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of crushed green chilies, and a quarter cup of oil. Followed by 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and squeeze 1 lime, and mix everything well and let the chili to cook slowly by slowly till well cooked. Let the chili to cook on a low-medium heat till the chili sauce becomes thick and the tomatoes start producing some oil. After about 30 minutes, your chili sauce should be thick and well cooked like this. Then your mango chili sauce is ready, and remove it from the fire and serve on a bowl. And my mango chili sauce is ready. As you can see in the video, this is so tasty, and enjoy your mango chili sauce. And my mango chili sauce is ready. As you can see in the video, you can eat along with rice, pilau, biryani, or anything that you like, and enjoy your mango chili sauce. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.